Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Lonnie Corley. I'm a JROTC instructor with the United States Army Cadet Command. I am a retired Army vet of 26 years of active duty. I've had a great opportunity to travel all over the world, both internationally and domestic. And being a JROTC instructor is really an awesome opportunity for me to be able to use my skills that I learned while in the military and also my education background, my college background, to be able to help students be able to reach their goals. Being a JROTC instructor is kind of awesome because I work at a military academy called Oakridge Military Academy. It was established in 1852. It's located in the Triad of North Carolina, which is going to be the Winston-Salem, the Greensboro, and also the High Point area. We have a broad base of students and our cadets located at our school. It's a co-ed school to where we have students from overseas that are coming from China and Africa. And we have students all over coming to us from all over the United States as well. What's really unique about this is that being able to use my military skills that I've acquired over the years, my experience once again in teaching 21st century skills really gets me excited about technology and innovation. One of the things I want to hope to accomplish with this summer session in this class is to be able to learn more, particularly from my peers, my other co-teachers out there across the United States, find out what works well for them, what doesn't work so well for them, and maybe share some of my experiences and reach a common goal of being able to be a better teacher in the classroom. This is a great opportunity for me because I really think that technology is the hub of where we're at right now. A lot of things are going on when you start talking about cyber security and things like that, some of these security breaches that have happened in weeks past, and just being able to simply understand that the way the world is operating right now is really based on technology and being able to stay ahead of it. I just don't want to be a teacher that is just sitting on the sidelines of sort. I really like to mix it up in the classroom and really make the overall learning experience a positive one for the students. So appreciate any feedback that you send my way. Please be open and honest with me. I really look forward to mixing up with the class and wishing everybody an awesome summer. Thank you.